Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today we will do a Then vs Now art challenge. As you can see, this is a drawing of Luffy from One Piece. I did this in 2013, so 7 years ago. As you can see, I used way thinner paper back then. I hate these thin papers because they are so easy to crumble. And we also see that the coloring and the line work was done very inaccurate and lazy. The face looks horrible. Oh my god, like a zombie. The only thing what's good in this drawing is the proportions. It's quite okay. But all in all, it's a very bad drawing and I will show you now how much I've improved over the years. This will be fun, so give this video a like and I will talk to you at the end. Again, let's go! So guys, there we have the final result of Luffy from One Piece, and I have to say it looks very good. Especially the shading is great. I am really happy with the colors I have chosen, especially for the skin. It looks kind of realistic. Also the line work turned out very good and very clean. If we put both drawings side by side, we can see a huge difference, like day and night. The quality of my art has increased a lot. I even used Copic Show markers back then, but I wasn't very experienced with them. Today I have mixed Copic Show markers with Ohuhu and Arteza Everblend markers. And I'm using a way better paper now. So all in all, I think I've improved a lot over the years. But what do you think, guys? Have you expect that much improvement? Let me know that in the comments below. Also give this video a like and share it with your friends. I really like this series, so I will definitely continue to redraw my old art. I will upload this drawing in real time on my real time drawing channel as well, so make sure to subscribe to my second channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I'm working on next. All the links down below. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.